You know what eggs are? Yes. Well, did you know eggs are actually good for your waves? See, right now, you're probably laughing, or you're probably not taking what I'm saying serious. But what you also didn't know is that I'm not joking. I'm being so serious. Eggs are good for your hair. Stick around. I'll tell you how. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Waveman Mike. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Waveman Mike. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Waveman Mike. Hola, mi nombre es Hombre Onda. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Waveman Mike. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Waveman Mike. Wow. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why eggs are good for your waves or any hairstyle. Okay. You ever heard of biotin? You know how other wavers always say that you should take biotin tablets? Well, if you didn't know, eggs actually contain biotin. Here are a few pros of biotin for your hair. Hold up. I can't believe I forgot to say this. Listen, if you're watching this video right now, go hit that like button. Like right now. Don't wait. Hit it right now. So if you're watching the video, go hit the like button and leave a comment. Just comment anything. Go comment orange shirt. I don't know. Comment anything. Comment mixed color do-rag. I don't know. Just comment. You do it? Alright, good. Resume the video. Biotin will make your hair healthier and stronger. It will also increase growth. Also, if you didn't know, your hair actually needs biotin, and if it doesn't have enough, you'll have hair loss. Okay, so enough for biotin. What else do eggs provide? Well, this one is pretty obvious, but eggs provide protein. We all know why protein is so important, so I don't think I'll go too deep on that. All I'll say is that your hair follicles are made up of protein. Well, at least mostly. So if you don't have protein and your hair follicles are made up of protein, then that will result in hair loss. You can't have the final product without the building blocks. That's like saying, I want to build a house, but I don't have any of the materials. Eggs provide a lot of useful things for your hair. This is why eggs are one of the most important foods for your hair. This is a bit off topic, but I bet there was at least one person that thought I was gonna rub eggs in my hair. Somebody came on here looking for me to take an egg and crack it on my head and then rub it in. That would be funny. Y'all wanna see that? I mean, I'll do it if that's what y'all wanna see. Let me know in the comments. Hey, if you didn't press the like button, go do it now. If you don't do it, you'll have bad luck for the rest of the week. I promise you'll lose your phone and your wallet, and you'll use the bathroom on yourself, and a bunch of other bad stuff. So do yourself a favor. Press that like button. No, matter of fact, hit that like button. Hit it like you stole something. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. I know you guys are tired of listening to me talk, if you're still even watching. Let's see, actually. If you're still watching, go comment eggs without cheese. Don't ask why, just do it. Anyway, I'm Waveman Mike. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enjoy your day.